You want to be like me? Yeah. I'm going to interrupt the Covino and Rich show, my stupid promo.
Wine and whip.
Fuck that guy. That's what I used to say. Hate this guy. Had him on our show. Kind of liked him, but I still hated him.
By the way, if you had embraced him back then when he was on our show,
I know, but I hated him.
You'd be
I'm like, fuck this guy. Who's he, Joe Pesci?
Yeah, you embraced all the wrong people.
Yeah. I'm like, get your shine box. I didn't like him. Plus, he fired my brother-in-law years ago. Which brother-in-law? Dan. Probably deserved it. Probably. So, Gary Vaynerchuk, who I used to say, fuck this little fuck. Now I love him. I want his K-Swiss sneakers. I want to innovate or die. Me and Kevin K. Diddy want to go to his conventions. We want to read his books. I watch all of his videos. I like his business mind. I love his fuck you attitude. Gary Vaynerchuk, that weasel who I hated, I love now. Proving once again the thin line between love and hate. For you and I, it's called the flipperoo.
I'll back you on 2 of the 3 because I don't think I ever hated.
Does it work with food, by the way?
I don't think I ever hated. Oh, it works with anything.
It works with beer as kids, right?
This is not regulated to only people. This is food. This is places. This is anything in life where you did the flipperoo. Went from loving to hating or went from hating to loving. But hating to loving, you said, is a little trickier.
Yeah.
For you, the top 3 people, LeBron, Anthony Bourdain, and Gary Vaynerchuk.
I think those are my top 3. Lil Wayne is in that category, too, because I used to hate him, and then I realized I couldn't say I love him that much, but then I earned this like newfound respect for him, because I never got that dude at all. I'm like, this guy sucks. And then I started listening to his good shit, and I'm like, oh, you know what? I think I kind of like him now. That was back in the day, flipperoo. You know, I gave you my flipperoos. But again, I'm here to prove a point. If you're able to hate somebody that much, like all this bullshit hate that we get, like the guy that keeps shitting on you, right?
Oh, there he is again.
The truth is, I'm proving this, guys. I proved it once and for all. That thin line is a real thing. If your emotions are capable of reaching these heights of hatred, that's a strong, powerful feeling and emotion and word. It's because you really love them and don't know it yet. I'm serious.
So you're trying to tell me,
yeah,
some of these people that every day tell me
they love you. They love your life. They hate you so much, but they love your life and want to be you. You know, I hated Anthony Bourdain.
Punxsutawney PA said he met Bourdain in St. Louis. What a great guy. Get this. Drew Mack, who lives the life of Riley. I don't know what Riley.
John C. Riley.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's Dewey Cox.